Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I'm back, yes, and I'm going to review Mahira Khan's latest television series, Hum Kahan Se Sache The. I know I'm late. This television series premiered on YouTube yesterday, the episode 1, and I was busy with my work, so I just saw the climax. So today I'm a little free. I got a little breather, so I thought of watching it in my own office, and I loved it. And by the way, this is one of the most awaited series on Hum TV, and the reason it's one of the most awaited because Mahira Khan is back actually, not coming back, is back after 5 to 6 years. I think her last television series was Bin Roy, which personally I loved, and she's back again, and trust me, you're going to love her. You're going to fall in love with her once again. So Hum Kahan Se Sache The is based on a book written by Mrs. Umaira Ahmed. She's a very renowned Urdu author in Pakistan. So Hum Kahan Se Sache The basically revolves around three siblings, brother sisters. One is Mashal, played by the very beautiful, talented Kubra Khan. Mehreen, played by our very own Mahira Khan, and I am forgetting the name, Aswad, played by Usman. So basically, the story is, I don't know, I haven't read the book. I'm watching this for the first time. If most of you have read the book, you can tell me whether it's very close to the book or has been adapted properly. I can't comment on that. So basically, it's the story is narrated by Aswad, and we go back to the flashback where we see Mashal, Mehreen and Aswad are around 12 to 15 years old, and Aswad stays in Kuwait. He has come down to Lahore, and he's spending time with his siblings, his cousin sisters, and all three of them belong to a very wealthy family. And Mashal's mother always compares Mashal to Mehreen, and due to this there's a lot of jealousy within Mashal, and somewhat she doesn't like Mehreen so much. So that's how the story begins, and it has a very promising start. And the very good thing about these Pakistani dramas is that serials are that you're instantly hooked. The first 5 minutes or first 3 minutes, you're instantly hooked because everything is so real. The actors play their parts so perfectly, so smoothly, and trust me, it's a promising start. So now the movie begins with Aswad's narration. We are introduced to these three characters when they're around 12 to 15 years old. So the first 5-10 minutes you get to see the character sketch. All the characters are well etched out. Mehreen is the bespectacled girl, and Mashal is always compared to Mehreen. Aswad lives in Kuwait. He's indifferent, though he's very close to Mehreen than Mashal. He's indifferent. So all the three characters are introduced. Then we get to know Mehreen is very close to her dad, Mansoor, who is basically falls prey to drugs and also jobless. So he eventually commits suicide. Now Mehreen has to stay with Mashal and her family because her mother remarries and settles somewhere. So now the rest of the story you see, now we skip many years ahead where we see Mahira Khan and Kubra Seth, where Mehreen and Mashal have grown up, and both of them are studying in the same college, but Mashal goes to college in a car and Mehreen takes the bus. So there's a lot of animosity between them, and since Mehreen is from a broken family, people in the family don't quite see her in a good light. So now what's going to happen now? Aswad is coming back from Kuwait. Now that's a twist in the climax. I won't say twist, means I'm sure most of you will be able to predict it, but now the actual story begins. What's going to happen? So Aswad, right now we get to know Aswad is in Kuwait and he's coming back to Lahore. Now the story is going to take a different turn. Who does he select? Is it Mehreen or Mashal, or is there something else? Because during childhood and when they used to play, Aswad was pretty close to Mehreen. So now what's going to happen? So the first episode was around, I think, 40 minutes. It was quite good, quite gripping, a promising start. So I'm looking forward for the other episodes. Well, looking at the episode 1, let me tell you, the cinematography and the direction and the overall production design is quite impressive. I think Mr. Farooq is the director of this series, And let me tell you, sir, Farooq sir has done a great job. And the shots, the slow motion shots, the master shots, wide shots, close shots, the blocking is very well done. Very rarely you will find such good blocking and in other Pakistani dramas. Though I'm not saying other Pakistani dramas have a bad cinematography, but this cinematography and blocking technique is pretty different if you have to compare and watch other Pakistani dramas. And the overall production design is quite neat. So coming to the performances, well, you have three really good actors of the Pakistani industry being a part of this television series. You have Mahira Khan. Well, let me tell you, Mahira, I'm so glad that she's back after 5 years, and I think Superstar I felt was her best performance, but I'm wrong. You should watch Mahira portray the character Mary. She has done a great job. She's so confident. She has done it seamlessly, and definitely you're going to fall in love with her. Myra is definitely, undoubtedly, the undisputed queen of Pakistan. You'll know why after watching her play Mehreen. And trust me, I can't recognize her. I can only see Mehreen on screen. I'm being a fan of Mahira. I'm sure all of us are used to it because you see her other Pakistani dramas also. You don't see Mahira. You see the character. And getting on to the other performances, Kubra Khan, I've just seen her in Superstar and another film I don't remember. She's also a good actress. Though I saw only a small screen time. I'm looking forward to see a lot more. And Usman, the lead actor, also is quite confident. I have not seen any of his work, but I kind of liked him and liked seeing him on screen. So looking forward to watch him more in the other forthcoming episodes. So overall, the technicalities and performance is quite rich and quite well done in this series. Hum Kahan Se Achhe The. So this is my review and feedback for episode 1. And if you guys haven't watched it, please watch it. I'm sure all the episodes will be out on YouTube very soon. And so this is my office, and I got a little breather. So I thought of giving my feedback and reviewing the episode 1. After all, it's Mahira Khan's show, yeah. How can I not do it? Anyway, guys, I sign off, and I'll be back very soon. And I hope I get the time to watch. Whatever, I'll find time. So guys, see you very soon. Have a good week. Ciao.